Psalm 77. I cried unto Elohim with my voice, even unto Elohim with my voice, and he gave ear to me. In the day of my trouble I sought Yahuwah. My sore ran in the night, and ceased not. My soul refused to be comforted. I remembered Elohim, and was troubled. I complained, and my spirit was overwhelmed. Selah. Thou holdest mine eyes waking. I am so troubled that I cannot speak. I have considered the days of old, the years of ancient times. I call to remembrance my song in the night. I commune with mine own heart, and my spirit made diligent search. Will Yahuwah cast off forever? And will he be favorable no more? In his mercy clean gone over? Is his mercy clean gone forever? Doth his promise fail forevermore? Hath El forgotten to be gracious? Hath he, in anger, shut up his tender mercies? Selah. And I said, This is mine infirmity, but I will remember the years of the right hand of the Most High. I will remember the works of Yah. Surely I will remember thy wonders of old. I will meditate also of all thy work, and talk of thy doings. Thy way, O Elohim, is in the sanctuary. Who is so great an El as our Elohim? Thou art the El that doest wonders. Thou hast declared thy strength among the people. Thou hast with thine arm redeemed thy people, the sons of Jacob and Joseph. Selah. The waters saw thee, O Elohim, the waters saw thee, and they were afraid. The depths also were troubled. The clouds poured out water. The skies sent out a sound. Thine arrows also went abroad. The voice of thy thunder was in the heaven. The lightnings lightened the world. The earth trembled and shook. Thy way is in the sea, and thy path in the great waters, and thy footsteps are not known. Thou leddest thy people like a flock by the hand of Moses and Aaron.